everyone. So today, welcome to my new vlog. So we are on the way to where we are going, heading to
Commercial Street.
So we are heading to Commercial Street now. So my sister is also here from Hyderabad. So hi Sulu.
Hi.
And hi Sulu.
Hi.
So we thought we'll go to Commercial Street. So we are at Mahadevpura. So when you take the route, if you have to take the route to Commercial Street, it's like you have to cross KR Puram railway station, then comes Tin Factory, Indiranagar, Alsur, and then comes Commercial Street. So but what's happening is this is the very talk of the road, talk of the town, this area. So we are still thinking where to go now. So we are so we'll keep you updated on where we are heading to. Depending on the traffic, we will change the location. So the traffic at KR Puram is very crowded. It's more. So we have turned our route. So we are taking the Bellandur Outer Ring Road area. So I am still confused and thrilled where my husband is taking me now. It could be a Jayanagar, or I am still surprised. Or it could be also a Tippasandra 100 feet road. That is also a shopping space. Or it could be a MG Road, Brigade Road also. I am still confused and thrilled. So I'll stay tuned. I'll keep you posted. The outer ring road traffic, it's not much, but manageable. But wherever the railway station is, you can see there the vehicles are crowded or piled up here, and then the traffic moves on. So no issues at all. So let's see how it goes. Guys, we were on the outer ring road, and suddenly my husband turned here and took a U-turn here. So this is the road. If you see, this is the road which will take you to connect you to the Marathalli. So what is this called? What is this road called? I forgot.
DRD.
This is the DRDO road, and it's a beautiful road, I would say. But again, during peak hours, it would be there would be a heavy traffic.
No road is beautiful during peak hours.
Yes, no road is beautiful during peak hours. But when you come during Saturdays and Sundays, the road would be empty, especially during 11 and 12 o'clock. And you can see people jogging over here, walking and petting their dogs, walking with the dogs and all that. So all that would happen here on this road. So that is another thing which I love about this road. I'll also show you a lot of eucalyptus trees, kind of pine trees, kind on the other side, where the road would be empty in that way. So see, this is also, since there is a DRDO or whatever, I don't know, the other side of the compound is completely greenery here. It's all greenery here and empty grounds. So let's see, I'm still keeping my fingers crossed to check out where my husband is taking me to. And even my sister is thrilled, I guess. What do you feel? Do you know where your brother-in-law is taking you to?
I do not know.
Okay. So this is the aerospace HAL area, and look out, watch out the trees here. So this is the road I was talking about. So when you come during rainy season and on Saturday, Sunday, the road would be empty. And this is the colony, school and all that over there. And people are jogging already here. But especially during Saturday and Sunday mornings, there would be a lot of people. And this road is completely dedicated for walking and jogging on the left and right side of the road, if you see. So this road will connect you to Marathalli. So just stay tuned. So I'll post you where we're heading to. So it could be some crowded place, shopping area, eatables, some local food street. So let's see how it is. The traffic, guys, we are near Old Airport Road. So we reached Marathalli, and then my husband took a right turn. So I'm just thrilled. I'm still thrilled whether he would go to MG Road or Brigade Road or Commercial Street is again another option. So let's see. Anything can change. Even the world can turn. But traffic will never end here at Bangalore. So I'm also thrilled like you. So stay tuned. My sister is unable to control her laugh, and my husband is puzzled with the traffic. So let's see. I'm vlogging here. So let's see what's happening. We are waiting for nearly 20 minutes. So I don't know. Does Hyderabad also has that much traffic? What do you say?
Not this much.
Manageable, is it?
Yes.
Where are you? Sorry. Huh? Is there a traffic?
Yes, it will be there. Not this much. It will be moving.
Okay. And how is metro and all? Is it crowded at Hyderabad?
It will be more crowded.
Oh,
More crowded.
okay. And what is that area called? You have also been to Hyderabad, no? You have been there at the IT city. What is that place called in Hyderabad?
Gachibowli.
Gachibowli. So on the way to Gachibowli and all, will there be a traffic?
More traffic will be there.
There, that side.
Yes,
Only that side, not everywhere.
Even in Secunderabad also, it will be there.
Even in Secunderabad also, there will be a traffic?
Yes, it will be there.
Oh my God, it's moving now.
It's moving. Wow.
It's moving, wow. Looks like some VIP has come. Could be some politician or somebody on this road. So normally they take this Old Airport Road. VIPs used to come through the aircraft, and then they used to take this airport. So maybe I think maybe that's the reason we are still waiting. It is like more than half an hour, I guess, that we are waiting here. So I think somebody is coming, or people are also standing here to check out who is coming over here. What do you think? Who is coming here? Any idea? Could be. Is it some politician who is coming here? Do you think?
Yes, mostly.
Mostly some politicians will be here. So we are also excited to see who is here. Here, stopping people. So let's see who is there. So one jeep went. So we exactly don't know who has come. And these lot of boys, they wanted to cross the road, and they finally crossed the road now. And hopefully, I think the vehicles, the traffic would be cleared.
Thanks, Raj.
Really don't know, guys, when we would be reaching. It's the time is now 7 p.m. So I think we would just have dinner. We would just have dinner and then have food get tired and go home and sleep, I think. So let's see how it goes. So finally we are near Commercial Street. So let's see whether he is going to park near at Commercial Street or he is going to get the car to MG Road. So anything is possible. The last minute changes are possible at Namma Uru, Bengaluru. Oh, we are near Gurudwara. So if it turns left, okay. So no other way, he has to turn left only. So then it's Commercial Street only. We are into the Commercial Street and let's see whether we get parking on the Commercial Street road. We have reached Commercial Street now, finally. So we are waiting for the parking here. So after how many hours? I think around it took 1.5 hours for us to reach Commercial Street. So we are looking for a parking here. So the parking is on the left side today. So if you see, the roads are lit, highly lit and colorful. And it's on Monday, weekday, and we thought that there wouldn't be any traffic, or since it's a Monday, we thought that the parking would be easy for us, but that's not the case here today. So let's see. So most of my shopping is from Commercial Street, so especially the bangles and everything. So the bangles and all are from Commercial Street only. And if you look for brides and bridal wares, also handbags. So most of my wedding shopping is from Commercial Street only. And so the slippers, sandals, the parallel road to Commercial Street is called Ibrahim Sahib Street. We are looking for a fruit shop where he cuts and gives lot of fruits. There will be lot of exotic fruits are also available here. So we are planning to have it. So let's see whether he is available now. So he is the fruit vendor who gives us all fresh fruits here. Your name margana. What name? Akram Bhaiya.
ನಮಸ್ತೆ, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಏನು ಬೇಕು ನಿಮಗೆ? ಮಿಕ್ಸೆಡ್ ಅಣ್ಣ 3 ಮಿಕ್ಸೆಡ್ ಕೊಡಿ ಅಣ್ಣ, 3 ಮಿಕ್ಸೆಡ್.
ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ಡೇ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಿ. So this is the Ibrahim Sahib Street.
How is it?
Wonderful.
How is it, Ma? You're enjoying?
Nice. I think the same kind of crowded street, she will find it from the street near Charminar.
Yes.
It will be very crowded and she enjoys it. For Nippat Masala.
2 ನಿಪ್ಪಟ್ಟು ಮಸಾಲ, 1 ಕಾಂಬಿ.
So he will give us Nippat Masala now. Fruit bowl is done.
ಅಣ್ಣ, ಎಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? 30 years.
Appa.
Akram Khan.
Yes, very nice. 30 years of experience, and see the way he cuts the fruits. No, it will be like chuck, very fast.
ನಮ್ಮನೇನು ಮಹಾದೇವಪುರ. ಟ್ರಾಫಿಕ್.
And the charts will also be like very fast, very nice.
ಹಳೆ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ 20 ವರ್ಷ ಅವರು.
That's why. And during the Sapota time, Chiku time, if you come, it will be very, very nice. The chikkus and all are like fresh. He will give. He will give chiku, fresh chikkus.
ತಂದೆನೇ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಬರೋದು. ಅದು ಮೊದಲು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರಾಜ್ ಹೋಟೆಲ್ ಇತ್ತಲ್ಲ.
So one is for me.
ಮೇಡಮ್
Wait. My sister wanted to touch the dress and see how much weight it is. So I shopped 2 of the quad sets from the shop, so it would be easier for me when I step out. Little lehengas and all that.
All with works. All with. You want to know same like this one. Here now Tani chain
So I'm just walking around also to complete my 6K. So I do other exercises also. Along with that, I want to complete 6K for today. So there are a lot of pashmina shawls. Can we go inside this? So we come to this shop called Brown Shop. So this is famous for all woolen items, woolen sweaters, woolen jackets and all that. Pure woolen items.
It's good. Try the other one also.
Black. Oh, this grey. Blue.
ರೋಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗ್ತದಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಅದು.
Okay.
ಎಷ್ಟು ಸರ್?
Guys, check out this. It looks like a real storage. I thought these are real ones.
மேலே ஹைட்
we have come back again to, after shopping at Brown Shop, we have come back again to Akram Bhaiya to get fruits. I'll show you how he cuts the fruits. It's all like chuck, 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 very fast. Chuck, chuck, chuck. And he is now cutting the papayas.
Liver.
And check out my sister, how she is swallowing all the fruits.
Yummy.
Yummy,
My
yummy.
favorite. It's my favorite fruit.
Which is your favorite fruit?
Mango.
And mine is apple. Apple. And he is cutting the pineapple. See the way he is cutting. And the bananas. See how he would have measured it half. And there is this big apple. And then comes this mango, king of fruits, mango. Oh, beautiful. Now I'm going to taste it again. So today's vlog is about coming to Commercial Street and shopping these caps from the Brown Shop and the fruits we had from the fruit seller, cut fruit vendor at Commercial Street. And also I also showed you a lot of shops around in Commercial Street and the traffics and all that. Hope you liked my vlog for today. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.